Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a book about birds in winter. And last week and this week, we've been learning that there are differences even within the same animal. So some bats hibernate, some bats migrate. So that's going to be similar to this book. We're going to read about what different birds do in the winter. This is an important part of a nonfiction book. What is it called? Yes, a table of contents. It tells us what we're going to learn about and what page it's on. For example, Birds of Winter is on page 22. Let's read about birds in winter. Stay or go. Winter is coming. The birds must leave. It is too cold. Food is scarce. So now I have a question for you. What does that mean? Food is scarce. I hope you said that it means that there isn't enough food to eat. That's the reason they must fly away. Geese fly south. They make a V, and that's a V that's kind of on its side, but it is still the V shape. The goose at the point works the hardest. She is tired. Soon another goose will take her place. Oh, that's pretty interesting. So the goose at the front takes turns with other geese so that once she's tired, another goose comes in. Some birds stick around. Yeah, look at this bird. He stays. Sparrows flock together for warmth. Look at that. They get really close together to stay warm. So that's a change that they make, or that means that they have to adapt. Look, they puff out their feathers too. Birds must eat more to stay warm. Cardinals eat winter berries. They eat bird seed. Tom feeds the birds. He gives them suet. He gives them seeds. There's those captions with labels to help us understand nonfiction true reading books. Suet, that's what this is called, and seeds, that's what these are called. Soon the weather will warm. Birds will return from the south. Look for the robin. It's a sign that spring is here. Boys and girls, this is called a robin. Let's see when the seasons start to change if you notice a robin. What would that be a sign of? Right, that spring is here. It's so important that we ask questions while we read. Birds of winter. There's the goldfinch, the cardinal, the oriole, and the bluebird. And because this is a nonfiction book, it also has a picture glossary to help us understand new words. A robin, suet, cardinal, and flock. These are all new words that we learned from our story. Stop and tell your learning coach something that you learned while we were reading. Then ask a question. See if you can ask your learning coach a question. Remember, it's important to ask questions. You might ask them, what animal sticks around in the wintertime? What bird? Choose any question you like. Great job today.